This is the Giant's Causeway in Northern Ireland, and this will be the first of many videos from both Irelands as I led a 9-day photo workshop, the All Ireland's Road Trip. We spent our first night in Bushmills, which lies 5 car minutes away from the Giant's Causeway. From Derry and Londonderry you will need a little more than 1 hour to get there, and Belfast is about 75 car minutes away. There is a designated parking area for visiting the site. In the evening it is closed, however. We therefore parked our car at the hotel a few meters away. From both parking areas there's a trail down to the Giant's Causeway, which is, depending on where you are, either 1 or 1.2 kilometers long. The Giant's Causeway is an area of approximately 40,000 basalt columns, which was declared a UNESCO World Heritage in 1986. The highest columns reach around 12 meters, while the lower ones run ashore in the Atlantic Ocean.
So I'm here at the Giant's Causeway with the workshop of 5, and we are just 1 hour before sunset. My group is scouting the area a bit, and so am I. And it's absolutely great, but I am struggling a bit. There are quite a lot of people, and there are quite a lot of different looks. Here you see it's just rather flat. Waves crushing in, but they're hard to catch. I already tried. Did not really work out, I guess. And at the back of the camera now, there's a bit more elevation and some green mountains in the background. That looks stunning as well. And I'm not quite sure how to insert that in my frame. Looks quite challenging. Not quite sure yet. So I'll fly it around now. Get some B-roll. Then when the lights are at its best, I'll try to get some good shots. Not sure what yet. We'll see.
At this point it looked like we would get a great sunset. Our hopes were destroyed within several minutes though by uprising clouds that completely blocked the sun. Speaking about the sun, on Location Scout you can learn a lot about photo spots before actually going there. A feature that always comes in handy is the direction of the sun at any given time. At the Giant's Causeway you can take great photos at sunrise and sunset, as you can shoot the location in almost every direction. In the evening there were quite a few people around, so the morning is probably the safer choice.
Yeah, so right now we're just about 50 minutes later and the sun is almost completely gone. There are just some small but spectacular hotspots, but they look so good. The dark foreground, the bright colors in the sky, such a nice contrast.
The contrast was nice. Yet the light was quite flat and not as spectacular as we hoped for it to be. We still had almost 1 hour before the sun would set, and so we searched on for compositions. The Giant's Causeway is kind of a photographer's playground with countless possibilities, as you can use the shapes, colors, contrast, elevation, water and mountains in the background to your advantage. And obviously you can always place yourself or another person in the frame for good measure. I found my final resting place for the evening at what is called the Stairway to Heaven, a basalt formation that roughly points towards the sunset. I was one of 4 photographers who all had kind of the same idea, so things got a little bit crowded there. I tried to go lower than the other guys to catch some of the rather gentle waves, and I still hoped for the sun to peek through underneath the thick clouds, which it did not.
Some more sun, some more colors. Because this is not